What's up, guys? This is Xpotics. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I wanted to make a video on a $500 build video, all used parts, or mostly used parts. The storage is new. So if you guys want to copy the exact parts or maybe get something very similar to it, like the case is pretty optional, like, you know, just kind of get something that's around that $50 mark if you want to, you know, do the same type of performance. So I got it's a used one with one fan, it looks like, right here. So it's $50 and free shipping. Then the CPU, I went with an i7-4770, which is a 4-core 8-thread. It's a little under, it's a little lower clocks than like the i7-4770K. The K is like a higher clock. Even if you keep it stock, it's still higher. But yeah, $32 for that and free shipping. The cooler, I went with the Vetro. It's $34 as well. It's pretty cheap, and the cooler's more expensive than the CPU. But yeah, it's a decent little cooler. It's not meant for really hot chips, but it's definitely enough for the CPU. The motherboard I went for is a $26 motherboard. LGA 1150 doesn't have any M.2 ports on or anything like that, you know, and it has 2 DIMM slots, so I got 2 8-gig sticks, so 16 gigs, and it doesn't have a good like VRMs and stuff. I don't overclock it. You can't really, I don't think you can overclock the 4770 anyways, but this is just like stock frequency. It should be more than enough, and has USB 3 on it. No USB-C or anything like that, but you know, it's really cheap, you know, can't go wrong. The power supply, EVGA, it's used as well. But yeah, it has all the cables that you need for all the components. 24 pin, got CPU, GPU, got 2 of the 6+2s, and then SATA. I don't know about Molex. Kind of hard to see. But yeah, maybe you can, you know, text them, contact the person, or a very similar listing of this, you know. But this is just the one I found. There's not like a lot of them, so you know, the first person that buys it, it'll be gone. But yeah, one of the pieces that one of the things I wanted to get in my notepad right here is a SATA to ARGB header, it's a cable. It takes like SATA power to ARGB, and then you can also get like a little splitter. I didn't include that in the price, so that might be an additional amount. But for the case, this fan might be, I don't know if it is, but it may be an ARGB fan, so you can choose the colors and stuff. Which that device, which let me see, I'll just do another one right here. So I typed in SATA to ARGB. So this one right here is the one that I there we go. So this one right here, you can choose, see SATA power right here, and then it goes to an ARGB at the very tip of it. And then you press all the buttons for mode and then speed, I think. And then color. I think it's mode and speed. But it's definitely color. Yeah, you can choose your color and everything on that. So it's just a couple buttons, which is really cool. It's really cheap, $8. So where am I at now? I did the power supply. A 500 gigabyte SATA 2.5 inch SSD for $27. Super cheap. And then a brand new as well, a brand new 2 terabyte 72 RPM hard drive for $50. And this one's $23.99. Just kind of find RAM that's from like good brands like G.Skill, Kingston HyperX, those are good. Yeah, just type in like DDR3, 16 gigabytes, you know. The most exciting part, 1080 Ti. An EVGA 1080 Ti for $170 plus $17.05, so $187.05. So it brings the total to $497.01, and this is not including like Windows, which you can get for free. You just have the little activation at the bottom, which you can, you know, $11 or something. So, you know, you work a little bit harder and make some more money, and then you know, you can get that watermark out, and you can have some more customization, windows and stuff. So yeah, a little, like all the parts in here, all the hardware for $500 with 2 new components. So I think this is the best $500 PC that you can get right now. I didn't like spend, you know, 4 hours researching all of them, but usually in the listing when you're looking at a part, you know, you lightly scroll down, you see like, you know, least more expensive and stuff, and I think this is a solid PC, a really solid PC for $500. And like I said, the case, if you don't like the, I don't really like this case, but for $50 you can't really beat it. It does have a little bit of imperfections, like that little scratch right there, and a scratch. Is that, yeah, it's the same one, just sideways. And I think there's like, yeah, it's the same. I think just one scratch. We just took a couple different pictures of it. So pretty good pictures and like the presentation of that right there. But yeah, pretty good condition. I think he cleaned it up. Looks pretty decent for $50, you know. And can I get some more fans? I'd definitely suggest 2 more fans up there. And then comment below, guys, what you thought of this build. I didn't buy the parts, obviously, and build it and stuff. That would be cool. I wish I had some more money that I could do this. But yeah, comment below, guys, what you thought of the components and what maybe you would do differently. And hope you guys are doing well. Peace.